Pepe Coin, the internet-famous frog that became a symbol of meme culture in the crypto world, has just hit a major bump in the road. After months of explosive growth and wild speculation, its price has taken a sharp dip, leaving many investors and fans wondering what comes next. The sudden downturn has sent shockwaves through the community, especially after such a meteoric rise that seemed unstoppable just weeks ago. Traders everywhere are asking the same question. Is this just a temporary pause before another rally? Or is the party truly over for one of crypto's most talked about meme coins? The uncertainty is palpable, and speculation is running wild on trading floors and online forums alike. To really understand what's happening, we need to look beyond the numbers on the screen. This isn't just about price charts, it's about the psychology of the market, the emotions of investors, and the unpredictable, often chaotic nature of speculative assets like meme coins. The recent 7% drop has left new investors feeling anxious and uncertain about their decisions. Many are questioning whether they should hold on, cut their losses, or double down in hopes of a rebound. But for seasoned veterans of the crypto space, this kind of volatility is nothing new. For them, it's just another day in meme coin land, a place where fortunes can change in an instant, and wild swings are part of the game. Meme coins have always been notorious for their dramatic surges and equally sharp corrections. These wild price movements are almost a rite of passage for any coin that captures the internet's imagination. Pepe's journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster, with dizzying peaks and sudden valleys, all fueled by the power of social media, viral memes, and a passionate online community that thrives on hype and humor. This latest dip is just the newest chapter in Pepe's ongoing saga, a moment for the market to catch its breath, reassess its direction, and decide whether the story continues or comes to an end. The real question now is whether the hype and excitement surrounding Pepe Coin are strong enough to spark another rally, or if the spotlight is fading as attention shifts to the next big thing in crypto. With so many new meme coins popping up every week, investors are constantly on the lookout for the next viral sensation. Is Pepe still the king of the meme coin jungle, or is it time for a new contender to take the throne? By dissecting this recent dip, we'll uncover the forces that drive not just Pepe, but the entire meme coin phenomenon, from market sentiment and community engagement to the unpredictable influence of internet culture. Understanding these dynamics is key to making sense of the wild world of meme coins, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. So let's dive deeper into the forces shaping Pepe's fate, and see what the future might hold for this iconic meme coin and the ever-evolving landscape of crypto culture. What makes meme coins like Pepe so volatile? Why do they capture the imagination of so many, yet remain unpredictable and risky? To understand Pepe, you first have to understand the world it lives in, a world where internet culture and finance collide in real time. Unlike Bitcoin, or Ethereum, which are built on robust technology and have clear use cases, meme coins like Pepe have no underlying tech or utility. They don't promise to revolutionize finance or power smart contracts. Instead, they run purely on hype, speculation, and the collective energy of their online communities. Pepe Coin is the embodiment of internet culture. Its value is driven by memes, jokes, and a passionate online following that thrives on humor and viral trends. It's less about financial fundamentals and more about being part of a digital movement. The price of Pepe is all about brand recognition and viral momentum. When a meme goes viral or a celebrity mentions it, the price can surge, but if the buzz fades, so does the value. There are no earnings reports or business models to analyze, just the pulse of the internet. Prices can skyrocket with a single tweet, a viral meme, or a sudden surge in online chatter. But just as quickly, they can crash when the hype dies down or attention shifts elsewhere. It's a roller coaster ride powered by social sentiment. There's no safety net here, no intrinsic value to fall back on. The only thing holding up the price is the next buyer's willingness to pay more, making it a risky game of musical chairs. Pepe's fixed supply means price is entirely dictated by demand. When hype is high and everyone wants in, prices soar. But when the excitement cools, prices can drop just as fast, leaving latecomers holding the bag. Traditional financial analysis doesn't work here. Instead, you have to track social media trends, meme activity, and the level of community engagement. The louder and more creative the community, the stronger the coin's momentum. the recent dip in Pepe's price is a real test. Can the community rally and keep the energy alive? Or will interest fade away? It's a constant battle to stay relevant in the fast-moving world of internet culture. If the memes keep flowing, the jokes stay fresh, and the online chatter remains loud, Pepe could bounce back stronger than ever. In this world, attention is everything. In meme coin land, culture is king, and Pepe is right at the heart of it, showing just how powerful internet communities can be. Think of Pepe's price drop like a lemonade stand on a scorching summer day. At first, everyone wants a taste, there's excitement in the air and the line stretches down the block. The earliest customers who showed up before the rush got their lemonade for just a few coins. As word spreads and demand skyrockets, the price of lemonade goes up. Those early buyers, seeing the stand's popularity, decide it's the perfect time to sell their cups to newcomers at a higher price, locking in a tidy profit. This wave of profit-taking means more lemonade is suddenly available. But if the crowd starts thinning and fewer new customers show up, the price can't stay high forever. It starts to slip. That doesn't mean the lemonade, or Pepe, is suddenly less tasty or valuable. It's just the market cooling off after a burst of excitement, searching for a fairer price where buyers and sellers agree. Corrections like this are a natural part of any market's rhythm. They help shake out those just looking for a quick buck and give everyone a chance to catch their breath before the next rush. For Pepe, many early investors are now cashing out after seeing their investments multiply, which is driving the recent dip in price. It's not panic, it's simply people being smart with their gains. This isn't about losing faith in Pepe, it's about managing risk and making sure you don't lose what you've already earned. That's a wise move in any market, whether you're selling lemonade or meme coins. The big question now is, will new buyers see this lower price as a golden opportunity, or will they stay on the sidelines, waiting for things to settle even more? If enough people decide it's a bargain, the cycle starts all over again. Demand rises, prices climb, and Pepe could rally to new highs. Every market, whether it's stocks, lemonade, or meme coins, needs these pauses and pullbacks to stay healthy and avoid burning out too quickly. The real story is about fresh enthusiasm. Will new faces step up and keep the momentum going at this new price level? If they do, Pepe's saga continues, and the community gets another chapter of excitement and growth. But if not, the party might be winding down for now, until the next big wave of interest comes along. In stocks, a 7% drop is huge news. In crypto, especially meme coins, it's just another Tuesday. Volatility is the norm, double-digit swings happen all the time. For Pepe, a 7% dip after massive gains is a minor pullback, not a disaster. These corrections let the market catch its breath and build a stronger foundation. Without them, you risk a bubble and a much bigger crash. Dips also shake out weak hands, leaving stronger holders behind. The core community usually sticks around, while nervous speculators exit. For experienced traders, this is a potential buying opportunity, not a panic signal. In meme coin world, context is everything. A dip can be healthy, not a red alert. Meme coins like Pepe don't move on financials, they move on attention. Their value is tied to online culture and the collective mood of the community. Memes, tweets, and influencer buzz drive price more than any chart. Pepe's rise was fueled by nostalgia and the thrill of being early to the next big thing. But hype is fickle. A single tweet or shift in attention can flip sentiment instantly. That's why communities work non-stop to keep their coin trending and relevant. Pepe's current dip is a test. Can the community keep the narrative positive? If the memes keep coming and optimism holds, the price could recover. In meme coins, social energy is the real fundamental. Pepe doesn't exist in a vacuum. Its fate is tied to Bitcoin, the market leader. When Bitcoin rallies, it lifts the whole crypto market, including meme coins like Pepe. New investors, flush with gains from Bitcoin, often look for riskier bets. Enter Pepe. But when Bitcoin stumbles, fear spreads, and investors pull back from speculative coins first. Pepe's recent dip isn't just about its own hype. It's also about broader market sentiment. Watching Bitcoin's moves is crucial for predicting Pepe's next chapter. If Bitcoin stabilizes, Pepe could rebound. If not, headwinds will be strong. The little green frog's journey is closely linked to the big orange whale. In crypto, the tides set by Bitcoin move all boats. Traders are watching to see where Pepe finds its next support zone, a price floor where buyers step in. The current dip is a battleground between sellers cashing out and buyers hunting for bargains. If enough buyers jump in, the price stabilizes and could bounce back. Pepe's community is pushing the narrative that this is a second chance for new investors. High trading volume during the dip could mean panic selling, or it could mean strong accumulation by new buyers. If the price holds steady on high volume, that's a bullish sign. The next few days are critical. Will Pepe consolidate and attract fresh enthusiasm, or keep sliding? Watch for sideways movement. It often signals the market is resetting for another move. The outcome will reveal a lot about meme coin psychology and the power of community-driven assets. Stay tuned. Pepe's story isn't over yet.